I usually play golf with my friends on Saturdays. I have my equipment: golf clubs, golf shoes, balls, and tees. There are 14 clubs in my golf bag. They have different lengths, from 90 centimeters to 110 centimeters. I use the long club for long shots, and the short club for short shots. My friend Paul is a very good player. He can hit the ball 350 meters with the longest club. He usually wins because he usually gets the lowest score. His score is about 70 shots in a game. We always play 18 holes. Our golf course has long holes. They are more than 400 meters long. There are also intermediate holes, about 300 meters long, and short holes, less than 200 meters long. My friend Paul usually hits 5 shots on a long hole, 4 shots on an intermediate hole, and 3 shots on a short hole. I always put the ball on a tee when I hit my first shot. On a long hole, I use my longest club for the first shot. For my second shot, I use the second longest club. I can only use the tee for the first shot. If I am lucky, I can hit the ball on the green on my third shot. If I am not lucky, I need a fourth or even a fifth shot to put the ball on the green. The green is an area with short grass. On the green, I use a special club called the putter to hit the ball into the hole. The putter has a flat face. After everyone finishes putting, I write down our scores on the scorecard. Then we go to the next hole.